Question number 25. Two progressive waves meet at a point. Okay, that which condition must be met for the superposition of the waves to occur? Met for the superposition of waves. The waves must be coherent. This is a condition. This is definitely a condition if you want the waves to be having a sustained interference pattern. Okay, not every time. This may not be the absolutely required condition. The waves must be of the same types. Definitely this is the right one. Okay, why is this the right one? Let us say, for example, I take a sound wave and also a water wave and I make it coalesce with each other. Do you think the superposition will happen? Superposition will not happen over here, right? So you should have two water waves, okay, or you should have two sound waves, or you should have two light waves. Only then it will happen. So therefore, if the waves must be of the same type, waves must be traveling in the opposite direction. What does this give you? This gives you a stationary wave. This is also incorrect. Waves must meet in phase. If it meets in phase, it gives you a constructive interference. This is also not asked. Okay, statements are all correct, but not the answers for the question over here. So therefore, all the others are wrong. B is right.